I'm working on weight reduction in my Mazda RX-8. This is all of the wiring that I have cut out. And I got that mess over there. And the car doesn't start. You might be wondering, and you're wondering why. Look at all that wire. I try to hold all that wire together. Definitely 5 to 10 pounds of wire. This is the only stuff I have remaining. That just goes to the back. None of the wire exists alongside, you know, like this wall. And you know, they came across and around those plastics and on that side and some in the middle. And you could see I got rid of them, right? You would think I'm really smart and I know what I'm doing, but I'm doing this for the first time. So tell me what I did wrong. Did I cut out something I shouldn't?